Hazrat Humayd narrates that Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu told him, Hazrat Rubayya, the daughter of Nadr, broke the front tooth of a girl. So they demanded blood wit. They requested for pardon, but they refused. Thus they came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam issued orders for retaliation. Hazrat Anas bin Nadr submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, will Rubayya's teeth be broken? No, by him who sent you with the truth, her teeth will not be broken. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Anas, Allah's book ordains retaliation. Thus they agreed and forgave her. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, undoubtedly there are some of Allah's bondsmen who if swear by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, trusting in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu certainly materializes it. Hazrat Anas only add to it, they agreed to take blood wit. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2703.